Welcome students, myself S.C. Kunde from JDC Bitco English Medium High School, Nasik Road. I am going to start your second lesson, periodic classification of elements. In this lesson, we are going to study elements and their classification, Dobrynin's triad, Newland's law of octave, modern periodic table and Mendeleev's periodic table. Let's recall what are the types of matter. Solid, liquid, gases and plasma. These are the types of matter. Next is that what are the types of elements? Metal, non-metal, inert gases are the types of elements. What are the smallest particles of matter called? The smallest particle of matter is called as atom. What is the difference between the molecule of element and compound? In this case, all the atoms are same. Classification of elements. We have learned in the previous standard that all the atoms of an element are of only one type. Today 118 elements are known to the scientific world. Around year 1800 only about 30 elements were known. More number of elements were discovered in the course of time. More and more information about the properties of these elements was gathered. To ease the study of such a large number of elements, scientists started studying the pattern. Initially, the elements were classified into two groups, metal and non-metal. And after that, the metalloids was noticed. Dobrynin's triad. In the year 1817, a German scientist, Dobrynin, suggested that properties of elements are related to their atomic masses. He made a group of 3 elements each having similar chemical properties and called them triads. He arranged the 3 elements in a triad in an increasing order of atomic mass and showed that the atomic mass of the middle element was approximately equal to the mean of the atomic masses of the other 2 elements. Suppose A, B and C. 3 are the elements. A has atomic mass 2, B has 3 and C has 4. When we are taking A, that is 2 plus 4 divided by 2, that is mean of the first and third, then you will get the answer 3 and that is the atomic mass of the middle element. Now see in this example, lithium, potassium and sodium. 3 elements are given. Lithium has atomic mass 6.9, sodium has atomic mass 23 and potassium has atomic mass 39. When we are taking the mean of 6.9 plus 39, that means lithium and potassium, then you will get the answer 23 and that is the atomic mass of sodium middle element. After that, the scientist Newland's law of octave came. The English scientist John Newland correlated the atomic masses of elements to their properties in a different way. In the year of 1866, Newland arranged the element known at that time in an increasing order of their atomic masses. It started with the lightest element hydrogen and ended up with thorium. He found that every 8 element had properties similar to that of the first. For example, sodium is the 8th element from lithium and both have similar properties. Also, magnesium shows similarity with beryllium and chlorine shows similarity with fluorine. Newland compared this similarity with the octave in music. He called the similarity observed in the 8th and the first element as the law of octave. Many limitations were found in Newland's octave. This law was found to be applicable only up to calcium. Newland fitted all the known elements in a table of 7 into 8, that is 56 boxes. Newland placed 2 elements each in some boxes to accommodate all the known elements in the table. For example, cobalt and nickel, cerium and lanthanum. Moreover, he placed some elements with different properties under the same note in the octave. For example, Newland placed the metal cobalt and nickel under the note Do along with halogen, while Fe having similarity with cobalt and nickel away from them along with the non-metals O and S under the note Di. Also, Newland octave did not have provision to accommodate the newly discovered elements. The properties of the new elements discovered later on did not fit in the Newland's law of octave. The Russian scientist Dmitry Mendeleev developed the periodic table of elements during the period 1869 to 1872 AD. Mendeleev's periodic table is most important step in the classification of elements. Mendeleev considered the fundamental property of elements, namely the atomic mass, as standard and arranged 63 elements known at that time in an increasing order of their atomic masses. Then he transformed this into the periodic table of elements in accordance with the physical and chemical properties of these elements. Mendeleev organized the periodic table on the basis of the chemical and physical properties of the elements. These were the molecular formulae and hydrides and oxides of the elements, melting point, boiling points and densities of the elements and their hydrides and oxides. Mendeleev found that the elements with the similar physical and chemical properties repeat after a definite interval. On the basis of this finding, Mendeleev stated the following periodic law. Properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. That means properties of element means that is physical and chemical properties. Periodic function means those which occurs at regular interval, and atomic masses, that is increasing order of their atomic masses. Merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. There are some vacant places in the Mendeleev's periodic table. In some of these places, the atomic masses are seen to be predicted. Enlist 3 of these predicted atomic masses along with their group and period. While applying the laws that the properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic masses to all the known elements, Mendeleev arranged the element with a thought that the information available till then was not final, but it could change. As a result of this, Mendeleev's periodic table demonstrates the following merits. First is that atomic masses of some elements were revised so as to give them proper place in the periodic table in accordance with their properties. For example, the previously determined atomic mass of beryllium is 14.09 was changed to the correct value 9.4 and beryllium was placed before boron. Mendeleev kept vacant places in the periodic table for elements not discovered till then. 3 of these unknown elements were given the names Ica boron, Ica aluminium and Ica silicon from the known neighbors, and their atomic masses were indicated as 44, 68 and 72 respectively. Not only these, but their properties were also predicted. Later on, these elements were discovered and named as scandium, gallium and germanium. The properties of these elements matched well with those predicted by Mendeleev. Due to this success, all were convinced about the importance of Mendeleev's periodic table, and this method of classification of elements was accepted immediately. Third is that there was no place reserved for noble gases in the Mendeleev's original periodic table. However, when noble gases such as helium, neon and argon were discovered towards the end of 19th century, Mendeleev created the zero group without disturbing the original periodic table in which the noble gases were fitted very well. Now the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. The first one is that the whole number atomic mass of the elements cobalt and nickel is the same. Therefore, there was an ambiguity regarding their sequence in Mendeleev's periodic table. Second, isotopes were discovered long time after Mendeleev put forth the periodic table. As isotopes have the same chemical properties but different atomic masses, a challenge was posed in placing them in Mendeleev's periodic table. Third, when elements are arranged in an increasing order of atomic masses, the rise in atomic mass does not appear to be uniform. It was not possible, therefore, to predict how many elements could be discovered between two heavy elements. Fourth, position of hydrogen. Hydrogen shows similarity with halogen group. For example, the molecular formula of hydrogen is H2, while the molecular formula of fluorine and chlorine are F2 and Cl2 respectively. In the same way, there is a similarity in the chemical properties of hydrogen and alkali metals. There is a similarity in the molecular formula of the compound of hydrogen alkali metal formed with chlorine and oxygen. On considering the above properties, it cannot be decided whether the correct position of hydrogen is in the group of alkali metal or in the group of halogen.